Hi guys, long time no see. This is Ashish and welcome again to my YouTube channel. I guess I finally remembered my YouTube password. Anyway, I'm here in Chandigarh and I'm on a walk right now. I hope you guys can see me. I hope you guys can hear me as well. I just hope that. So, I'm right here making a short vlog. I just thought that as I'm a little free nowadays, I should create something. So, this is that initiative. I'm on a walk right now. I'm on roads. Uh, this is traffic going on, and I'm right here. So I'm on a walk. I ran a little. I ran about 1.5 kilometers, and I walked about 3.5 kilometers by now. I'll walk 1.5 kilometers more now, and let's see. I'm just on a walk. I ran a little. Now I'm walking, and I think it's nice. So, everyone who's on this channel and everyone who's new watching this video, my name is Ashish, and I kinda used to make videos. I stopped it in a while ago because I had my placements going on and I wanted to focus on those, and I stopped making videos. I used to make self-help, motivation, psychology, philosophy kinds of videos. You can see those on my channel. There are plenty of them. So I'm here. I'm making a vlog. Why I'm making a vlog? It might be a question. So I'm making a vlog because I want to restart, or maybe just make some videos, maybe some content, because I always, not always, but sort of wanted to make content since a while now. I made some videos, I published them. I got some views as well. I got some encouraging words from my friends and from my acquaintances and some of my knowns as well, which is great. But then I stopped suddenly. Not suddenly, but I was already regular, and then I stopped making videos altogether. So I'm right here. I'm creating this video. So it's a view. It's a school right here, and I'm creating this vlog. Look at this. Look at this particular scene. So that's how it goes. All right. Happy New Year, everyone, as well. It's a bit late. It's about 2 months in 2026, but I hope you had a great New Year. New start, new beginnings. And I just want to say that it's never too late. It's never too late to start anything. It's never too late to do anything. It's never too late to initiate anything in your life. It's never too late to make some change in your life. It's never too late to build something in life. It's never too late to learn something in life. It's never too late to maybe get some new perspective in life. It's never too late. It's never too late sometimes situationally, contextually, it can differ. But broadly speaking, change is a constant, and one must change according to the situations, and one must do whatever in their vicinity to improve themselves and start new something, and maybe do something in life and have a purpose and build a purpose and work on that. And yeah, I think that is a point of life. I believe that. Have a purpose. Have a purpose and give everything to it. Give it your all. Uh, I'm doing what I can do. I'm I'm trying to do something in life, and I have huge dreams. I have big dreams, and I will turn them into reality. That is for sure. It's a reminder for myself as well. It's a reminder. It's an affirmation to myself as well that I will make it, and that is for sure. I will do whatever in my vicinity to my life make my life better and turn my dreams into reality. That is for sure. I will do even impossible things, even seemingly impossible things, which might not seem possible, which might not appear possible at this stage of life. But I will make sure that I turn them into reality. I'll make sure that I reach where I am supposed to reach. I will reach where I dream to be. And I hope you guys too. And I'm here to encourage you all that anything you want to be in life, or anything you want to do in life, or anything you want to build in life, or anything where you want to reach in life, you can do it. It's possible. It might not seem possible at some stage of your life or this stage of your life, but let me tell you, it is possible. With your patience, with your hard work, obviously, and with your commitment to whatever you want to do. And I affirm myself and yourself as well that it is possible. And I'm right here. I have a few goals which needs to be done, which needs to be fulfilled, which needs to be achieved in order to succeed. Definition of success can be different, but I believe that whatever your definition of success is, whatever your definition of achievement is, whatever your definition of making it in life is, you can achieve it, you can do it. There is nothing in your vicinity that you can do. There is nothing in this entire world, I mean, obviously, which are physically possible, which are in bounds of the laws of nature and in bounds of the laws of human capacity, and in bounds of the laws of all the things, all the hard laws, or all the constant things. Apart from all those, whatever you want to do in life, it's possible. And I assure you that, I affirm that to you and to myself, that I will make it. And it's not optional. It is not optional. It is mandatory. It is necessary. It is important. And it is necessary. It is significantly necessary. It's not optional. It's not something which I would like to do. I will do it. I will do it. And you will do it. If you have something which you're working upon, if you have something which you're building, if you have something which you are doing right now, you will where you want to reach. You can reach where you want to reach, and you will reach where you want to reach. Because everyone can, and everyone will. If you fulfill all those specifications, or if you fulfill all those criterions, if you fulfill all the pain that's needed for that, if you fulfill all sorts of requirements, you will do it, and you can do it, and I will do it. Because there are no limits. There are no limits. Remember that your limits are in your head. The only defeat before death is psychological. All the defeat which is before death is psychological. All defeats before death are psychological, in your head. You have made it. You have made that in your head. There is no defeat which exists. You only improve, you only fail better. So fail better. Go ahead and you can do it. I assure you that. I assure you that. And I assure myself that there is nothing in life which you can do. And that's there. I will do it. I assure you that you will do it. There are no limits. There are no limits to one's potential. There are no limits to one's potential, and that's factual. That is factual. All limits are in your head. All limits are made by you. There is a quote that says, whether you believe that you can do it or you can't do it, you are right. Because it all exists in your head. If you can believe it and if you can conceive it, you can achieve it. So I hope that gave some perspective. I hope that gave you some tips and some raw advice from my side, and that's about it. Bye bye. Take care. Jai Hind.